Hello students of Standard 3rd. Welcome to DAV Moil Public School, Sitasongi. Let's begin today's online session of English. Today we will start our new lesson, The God of the River. This lesson is taken from your English reader. So let's start our e-class. First tell me, if anyone pluck the flowers or anything from your garden, how do you feel? I think you feel bad or nervous. Yes, na? Okay. My next question is, where do you throw your household garbage? Maybe all are throwing the garbage, household garbage in the dustbin and then dispose it, na? Okay. So, students, as we know, there are main three types of pollution. First one is air pollution, second one is water pollution, and land pollution. There are three types of pollution. Today in this lesson we are discussing about water pollution. So let's start our lesson. In this lesson there are some new words. So I am reading the new words and you have to note down in your copy. Village, Village, village means small town. Farmer, Farmer, farmer means who works in the field. Garbage, Garbage, garbage means waste material. Flow, Flow means movement. Courage, Courage means daring. Pollution, Pollution means dirt. Germs, Germs, germs means bacteria. Disease, Disease, disease means sickness. Surprise, Surprise, surprise means shock. Information, Information, information means detail. Domestic, Domestic, domestic means household. Pit, pit means small hole. These are the new words of this lesson. So students, you have to learn these hard words and note down in the copy. Now I am reading the lesson, so listen carefully. The god of the river. Once there was a small village called Dharmpur. Kishan, a farmer, lived with his family in a small cottage in the village. He had a son, Ramesh. Ramesh was 11 years old, as we are seeing in the picture. The name of the farmer is Kishan, and we can see his wife and a small 11 years boy, Ramesh. Kishan went to the field for farming and Ramesh went to the school near the village. Whenever Ramesh's mother cleaned the house, she told him to collect the garbage and throw it away. He collected the garbage and threw it into the river that flowed near their cottage. This was his daily routine. Many other families also did the same. The place where people threw the garbage became very dirty and smelly, but nobody bothered. The routine of the Ramesh was, whenever his mother cleaned the house and he collect the garbage, and Ramesh have to throw it in the river. And this was the routine of the Ramesh. One day when Ramesh was about to throw the garbage, he saw someone wearing a golden crown come out of the river. He was tall and fair, as we can see in this picture. Ramesh about to throw the garbage, and a man appeared with a golden pot. He was tall and fair in his hand, but he looked very sad. Ramesh felt scared, but he soon took courage and asked the person who he was and when he was and why he was so sad. Ramesh asked this question to that man who was sad and appeared from the water. The person said slowly, I am the god of the water. Who was that man? That man was the god of the water. I have been living in this river for many years. I am sad because you are always throwing garbage into my water and polluting it. This river has now become very dirty. What do you mean by polluting water? Asked Ramesh. Ramesh asked to that person, what do you mean by polluting? Because he was only 11 years old boy. He asked that person, what do you mean by polluting? The water god said, when you throw garbage into the water, it gets dirty. This garbage contains chemicals and plastics which are very harmful for the fish. It has germs too. If someone drinks this water, he or she may catch diseases like typhoid and jaundice. The God says this. God of the water says to the Ramesh, explain that what he can face if the water become polluted. In the next, this is the fun part of this lesson. The God of the river. In the next video, we will learn the remaining part of this lesson. Okay, students? So, learn the hard words. Bye. Thank you. Have a nice day.